Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Fa and Miss Ulfa. Today I will conversation with MS 103. And can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Muhammad Ahyar Zulkifli, and usually my friend call me Judah, and I'm from MS 103. So, what you say?
My name is Nail Rabbani. You can call me Nail. I am from nice class
Wow,
in
nice.
CTC 171 SON to K25.
Wow, okay. So, what is our topic today, bro?
The topic is childhood.
Childhood.
Alright.
So, before we jump to our topic, I wanna know about you. Why do you learn English here?
Okay, why am I learning English in here? Because since elementary school, I my English is good
Hmm?
and high score,
High
and
school.
I got high score.
So, have you have you follow any fun
Follow
any event or agenda for English like even
oh
even
no, because I will get it.
hmm?
Will got the event. Will
Hmm?
follow the event because my teacher choose another person, but
Oh yeah,
I like it.
so what's your feel
And I'm
when
feel
your teacher didn't choose you and choose another friends?
oh, I am just okay, and because in another times I will get it.
Or another change, yeah. So we will move to our topic today, childhood. Yeah. Do you have any unforgettable moments when you were a child?
Hmm, I I have in my senior high school,
In senior high school?
all right, because my points in senior high school is so up
So high,
so high.
higher than
No higher, just high.
highest.
No highest higher in is 97, 90. So 90 up,
Yeah, I
90 up.
think there is so higher, right? I think highest than your friend. Yeah, you're the
Yes,
first. No, highest, right? Highest, true.
highest. Okay,
So why do you like English
because
until you learn here?
because in senior high school I have no I had learned English
Hmm?
16 tenses, but I don't understand because too fast for learn
What you don't understand about the meaning or pattern,
formula. The
the
formula.
pattern
Yeah.
formula. So now
Now I can understand
you
it.
can understand about the formula and the meanings. Yeah,
Yes, of course.
simple present until I say
Until us,
six,
okay.
16 tenses. So, do you have any unforgettable moment again?
What?
Do you have any unforgettable moments again
Oh yes,
when you were a
in
child, in
oh
senior high school, junior high school, or elementary school?
in senior high school I followed even of martial arts in twice. And
Wow,
yes, and I got the second place
second place,
twice again.
twice.
Yes,
So, you get rewards, right?
yes,
So, what did you get? Money,
is
right? I think.
yes, of course, and certificate.
And
Yes, of
certificate,
course.
international,
No, is
national, national.
city and what is that? No district, all right.
Oh, sorry,
No district. City
regency
and
or city.
one for East Java. One
Wow,
for East Java and one for Sidoarjo.
you are from Sidoarjo. Oh no.
No, I'm from Lamongan,
We're
alright?
from Lamongan, so you're even
In
within
Sidoarjo.
Sidoarjo.
In Sidoarjo, I got it when
Where did you do in Sidoarjo? Which part of Sidoarjo?
I am in boarding school.
No, in Sidoarjo, right? You're even.
Alright.
Oh, I mean in Sidoarjo, right? You're even.
Yes, even
Which parts of Sidoarjo?
senior high school 4,
Which part
Sidoarjo.
of Sidoarjo?
City.
Oh, city
City.
Sidoarjo. So, what ya? What else? Enough.
Okay.
Oh, enough.
Okay. Thank you
Okay.
for watching. And I'm Nal Rabani. And you?
And I am Judah.
Thank for watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
See you.